Hi, it's Almato. Today we'll be making some delicious barbecue s'mores. Let's start. You will need some chocolate, marshmallows, graham crackers, and something to hold the marshmallow. So now we're going to take 2 graham crackers and put them on a plate. Get 2 of these, if I can get them. That one's broken a lot. Now we'll put these 2 here, and let's get some chocolate. So we're going to use 2 squares of chocolate for this, so just like that. And we'll just put it on here for now. So now it's time to roast our marshmallows. So I'll take one out of the bag here, put it on the thing, and now we roast. And now we place it on the s'more. It feels quite, you see it's quite goopy here. And we'll put this down. So just put it here and get this top part. And this will melt the chocolate. Let's eat. Like this is gonna be really messy. It tastes good though. I don't know that. It's already. I can't even find my mouth. I can't find my mouth. What the heck? Am I close? It's good. Yeah, don't eat it with a mask. That's a El Macho's tip right there. Oh my jeez. That just made this worse. This is pointless. I can't get it anywhere. Here we have the garden after a couple more weeks. We still have the onion over there. This is some lettuce. And this is the celery. You can see there's actually some celery stalks coming out of there. And this big one is the tomato plant. Thank you for watching this cooking vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.